May I help you, sir?
I need a tie for a very special occasion. Would you believe it's my 50th high school reunion?
Well, let's find you a great tie.
How much is this tie? What does that say?
Are you gonna buy it?
I'm not sure. How much is it?
It's $80.
$80 for a tie? Thank you for your time.
That man was a customer.
That's a customer.
This tie costs, what, $60 with my discount?
You're not serious.
I'm totally serious.
You know what? I'm sorry, Mr. Stone, because that discount is for current employees only.
What do you mean?
Get out.
Keep the change. Excuse me. I want you to have this. Oh. No, please. I insist.